Hi, this is Brad here in the Aeromotive Tech Department and another installment of Tech Tuesday. Today I wanted to talk to you about a fuel system that we put together for the 2005 to 2009 Mustang GT, which is actually on sale. And this is a complete system that is one of our stealth A1000 systems. The idea being we could take that stock tank in your Mustang and we can install an A1000 fuel pump in the tank, and that's enough to feed a 1,000 flywheel horsepower forced induction engine on gas without having to put a fuel cell in the car. And in fact, this is our street system, the part number 17303, which includes not only the fuel pump that goes in the tank, but a set of fuel rails, a regulator, a Y block, our fuel pump speed controller to power the fuel pump at varying speeds depending on engine RPM, which keeps the fuel cool in the tank on longer drives but lets you have the benefit of an A1000, a wide open throttle. These systems are fantastic. The only thing missing is fuel line and hose ends, and Aeromotive has a full line of PTFE fuel line and hose ends, and we can help you put together the system with the fuel line and hose ends if you need it. But these are on sale. Check them out on our website at aeromotiveinc.com, and thanks for joining us on Tech Tuesday.